What's up guys, BitcoinJake09 here. I just made a video, but apparently my audio got messed up, so I'm just kind of like recording that video and talking over it. So basically, I had this dude, Aleutian, like attacking me, and he destroyed 4 of my explorers just because I was exploring near his area. And we both hodled Dosh, which was kind of weird to me. I was like, why are you attacking me? Anyway, I ended up writing a script that attacked him for like 3 days straight, and then finally we made peace, and so we're friends now. But so now I'm using my attack script on this other guy. I can't pronounce his name, but basically what you do is I'll just wait for this to get through it. But yeah, I've been playing NextColony a lot, but when I don't have time to play it, I just have my script running so it can like do its thing. So anyway, it's on my GitHub. Use SpyColony to get the distance for the ships that you'll be using. So you use SpyColony and it'll give you the distance for, I think that's what I'm about to show here. Oh yeah, here's the actual script for it. So you just put your posting key in, you change your account name, you put your planet in, and the type of ship you'll be using, how many ships you'll be using. This one doesn't have the loop, but the Beem API one or whatever, Beem, actually doesn't use NextColony API, so even if NextColony's down, it'll still work without, you know, because it just writes to the blockchain. It's not actually like verifying with NextColony if it can do it. So the other thing about that is if you don't have your timing right, it'll just, you know, throw the script off a little bit, and then, you know, your ships will be parked for, you know, hours possibly. But if Corvettes take 4 hours, 35 minutes, and 46 seconds, then you put that in here, and you get the seconds for it. Just confirming that was correct. So you get 16,546 seconds. So that's what you would put in the, let's go over to, come on, let's go to the Beem-Attack. Alright, so this one has a sleep in it. So like it does a loop, and every time it does the amount of the sleep. So you put in how long it takes to get to that planet, add 4 seconds to it for block time, and then it'll multiply that by 2, and then that'll be the total distance. So at that point, your ships will be back at your planet and ready to attack with the next go around. So let's go ahead and check out what's going on here. Come on. So we got a minute left on there. And it's cool because like the ships will actually like return, and then you can see the script throw the JSON command to send them back out to farm that planet again. So it's just a good way to protect your ships. That way, like, your ships aren't just sitting on your planet, and then you don't have to wait. Or if you get like some sort of alert during the day, you don't have to worry about like trying to sign on and make sure your ships are okay, because you literally only have like a 4-second window. I think it's between like 3 to 6 second window that they could possibly be back at your planet. So at that point, it's going to be almost impossible for somebody else to time that to destroy any of your ships. So you just have this command running, and you know your ships just looping back and forth between your own planets. Maybe even just there's another script that I'm working on that does really well for like transporting resources around your own planets. So like if you have an alpha and a beta, then you can go ahead and like transport all your resources from your beta to your alpha, and you just have this script running where it'll you know, take it all from your beta, send the ships back to the beta, do that over and over and over. But here we go. So 0 seconds. So like I said, we got about 3 to 6 seconds. Looks like about 6 seconds there. And then it's going to throw the script there. Here goes the JSON command. And then you go over to your missions and refresh, and it'll show you that your scripts are going. So So pull that down, over to missions, and bam. Got my ships going out. And it's that easy. So all the links are in the description. Hopefully the sound comes out okay this time. I don't know what I'm going to do if it keeps messing up. Like, I really need to get a new setup going, more professional. Like, I just upgraded my motherboard, and I have more. I doubled my RAM finally, so now I have 8 megabytes of RAM. Woo! So it's great though. It's amazing. I can actually do some videos now. It doesn't take me over an hour to upload them. But anyway, that's about it. BitcoinJake09. Some NextColony scripting going on here. Peace.